Welcome to Neurozenic. This channel is dedicated to exploring the fascinating science of the human brain and how understanding neuroscience can help you build stronger habits, deeper focus, and a more powerful mindset. If you have ever wondered why discipline feels difficult at first but becomes easier over time, today we are going to uncover the science behind that process. Think about a moment when you tried to start something new. Maybe it was waking up early, exercising regularly, studying consistently, or working on a long term goal. At the beginning, it probably felt uncomfortable. Your mind resisted the change. You felt tempted to return to your old habits. Most people interpret that resistance as a sign of weakness. They believe something is wrong with them. But neuroscience shows something very different, that resistance is actually a natural function of the brain. Your brain is designed to conserve energy. Deep inside your brain are systems that constantly monitor how much effort you are using. These systems evolved thousands of years ago when energy was limited and survival depended on conserving resources. In ancient environments, humans needed to preserve energy for important tasks like hunting, gathering food, and escaping danger. Because of this, the brain developed mechanisms that encourage comfort and discourage unnecessary effort. When you try to start a new habit that requires effort, your brain interprets that effort as a potential energy cost. The brain immediately begins pushing you toward easier behaviors. This is why the couch feels more attractive than the gym. This is why scrolling through your phone feels easier than studying a complex subject. The brain is simply following its natural programming to conserve energy. However, there is another powerful system inside the brain that works alongside this one. This system is responsible for learning and adaptation. When you repeat a behavior often enough, the brain gradually shifts that behavior from effortful processing into automatic processing. This is how habits are formed. At first, a new behavior requires conscious effort because the neural pathways for that behavior are weak. The brain must actively coordinate different regions to perform the action. But every time you repeat the behavior, the connections between neurons become stronger. The pathway becomes clearer and more efficient. Over time, the brain begins automating the behavior. What once required effort becomes easier and eventually becomes automatic. This is why brushing your teeth does not require motivation. The neural pathway for that habit is extremely strong. The same process applies to discipline. Discipline is not simply a personality trait. Discipline is a trained neural pattern. When you repeatedly choose actions that align with your goals, your brain gradually builds circuits that make those actions easier. At the beginning, discipline feels uncomfortable because the brain is creating new pathways. But with repetition, those pathways strengthen. Eventually, the behavior becomes part of your identity. Imagine a path through a dense forest. The first time someone walks through the forest, the path is difficult to see. But if people walk that path every day, it becomes clearer and easier to follow. Your brain works in the same way. Every repeated action creates a stronger neural pathway. The more you walk the path, the easier it becomes. The fascinating part is that your brain is constantly updating these pathways based on your behavior. If you repeatedly avoid difficult tasks, the brain strengthens pathways related to avoidance. If you repeatedly face challenges, the brain strengthens pathways related to resilience. This means the brain you have today is largely shaped by the patterns you practiced in the past. But here is the powerful truth. The brain remains adaptable throughout life. This ability is known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity means that the brain can reorganize itself by forming new neural connections and weakening old ones. This process allows you to learn new skills, build new habits, and change the way you think. Many people underestimate how powerful this process is. Small repeated actions can lead to massive changes in the brain over time. For example, reading for just 20 minutes each day strengthens language and comprehension networks. Practicing focused work strengthens attention networks. Regular physical activity improves blood flow and supports the growth of new neural connections. Each of these activities sends signals to the brain about what abilities should be strengthened. Over weeks and months, the brain adapts accordingly. Another important concept in neuroscience is cognitive resistance. When you attempt something unfamiliar, your brain initially produces discomfort signals. This discomfort is not necessarily a sign that the activity is harmful. It is simply a signal that the brain is processing something new. Many people stop at this stage because they interpret discomfort as a reason to quit. But those who persist move past the resistance phase. Once the brain becomes familiar with the new behavior, the discomfort decreases. Eventually, the activity begins to feel natural. This transition from resistance to familiarity is a key part of building discipline. Understanding this process allows you to approach challenges differently. Instead of seeing discomfort as a warning sign, you can see it as evidence that your brain is learning. Every time you continue despite resistance, you strengthen the circuits responsible for persistence. This is how mental toughness develops. At this point, if you are enjoying this exploration of how your brain builds discipline and resilience, take a moment to subscribe to Neurozenic. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand the science behind focus, motivation, and mental strength so you can unlock the full power of your mind. Now let us explore another important aspect of discipline. Environment plays a major role in shaping behavior. Your brain constantly responds to cues in your surroundings. If your environment is filled with distractions, your brain will naturally gravitate toward those distractions. But when you design your environment to support focus, your brain receives signals that encourage productive behavior. For example, placing your phone out of reach while working reduces temptation. Creating a dedicated workspace signals to the brain that it is time to concentrate. Surrounding yourself with books or learning materials increases the likelihood of engaging in intellectual activities. These environmental adjustments may seem small, but they significantly influence brain behavior. Another powerful factor in building discipline is identity. Your brain constantly tries to maintain consistency with the identity you believe about yourself. If someone believes they are lazy, the brain tends to reinforce behaviors that match that belief. But if someone begins to see themselves as disciplined, their actions gradually align with that identity. Changing identity begins with small evidence. Each time you complete a task, keep a promise to yourself, or overcome resistance, you provide proof that supports a new identity. Over time, these small pieces of evidence accumulate. Your brain begins accepting the new identity as reality. Once identity shifts, behavior becomes much easier to maintain. Imagine the long-term impact of practicing discipline every day. Imagine strengthening the neural pathways associated with focus, persistence, and resilience. Over months and years, these patterns compound. Your brain becomes more efficient at solving problems. Your concentration deepens. Your ability to manage challenges improves. Eventually, discipline becomes part of who you are. Before we finish this video, remember one powerful idea. Discipline is not about forcing yourself forever. Discipline is about training your brain until productive behavior becomes automatic. Every small action you repeat is shaping the architecture of your mind. Choose actions that strengthen the person you want to become. If this video helped you understand the neuroscience behind discipline and habit formation, subscribe to Neurozenic and share this knowledge with someone who wants to improve their mindset and mental performance. Your brain is always evolving. Train it with intention. Guide it with consistent actions, and it will become the most powerful tool you have for building the life you truly want. Thank you for being part of Neurozenic. Your journey of mastering the brain continues in the next video.